My name is Julia Reindl. I'm a speech and language pathologist from Austria, and I'm the founder of Jaw Yoga. This is a method for holistical jaw health, where people can increase their jaw health and their jaw relaxation. It's made for people who suffer from bruxism, teeth grinding, teeth clenching, pain in their jaws, tension in the jaws, but also for people who want to have a healthy jaw for the rest of their lives. I would like to invite you to our 3 days workshops. There you can find a community with people who are also experiencing the same jaw challenges as you do, so you can connect. And also we are there to guide you through this whole process. Through these 3 days we have jaw yoga exercises, we have jaw meditations, we work on the root causes of jaw stress on a mind level, on the emotions, on the stress. And then you get lots of practical tools that you can use in your daily life. And also we have a 11 weeks mentoring program for those who really want to dive deep into their jaw and into healing their jaw. So we are going to guide you through this whole process, and in the end, if you feel like you want to support other people on their jaw journey, you can do an exam and become a jaw yoga instructor in the end. So it would be amazing to have you there. You can find the link to register below in the description, and I wish you all the best. Take care of your smile.